Essential oils can do wonders. They can reduce stress and anxiety, even ease the symptoms of allergies. They can also be beneficial for the four-legged members of your family. Holistic nutritionist Jessica Moforth joins me now to talk about that. So, Jessica, welcome back, first of all. And tell me, what are essential oils?
That's a great question because not all essential oils are created the same. So you've got three different types of essential oils. Well, first, essential oils are the oils that have been extracted either through distillation, cold pressing from different plant sources.
Okay.
You've got synthetic, which is more of your colognes, your perfumes.
Right.
You've got food grade, which is more like what you're going to find on the shelves in grocery stores.
Like olive oil or,
well,
is that right?
more like flavors, like when you're finding basil and that type of stuff. But it's more for just food. So, and then you've got what we're talking about today, the therapeutic. So it's pure therapeutic, and that can be used topically. You can also use it in a diffuser, which is what we've got here, water diffuser, so it goes off into the room. Or you can use it internally, so you can dilute it with water and use it for a therapeutic purpose internally as well.
Okay, so how do you apply this to pets? And I'm a dog lover, I'm a dog owner, so with dogs in mind, how are we going to apply essential oils to dogs to help them live a better, healthier life?
Very similar to how we do with humans.
Oh, really?
Except for the fact that we are much larger for the most case. You want to be very sensitive with pets.
Yeah.
Just like us, though, you always want to try a little bit. I prefer using either the water diffuser or topical more so than internal. Unless you're dealing with a severe case like parvo, then oil of oregano used internally is amazing.
Okay.
But what I see at my store a lot is stress and anxiety. So how I use that is I'll get mixer bottles like this, and I'll mix it with fractionated coconut oil. A great combination would be lavender mixed with Roman chamomile, frankincense, and some clary sage. You just put some drops in with the fractionated coconut oil. You can massage it on their ears, the back of their paws. You can put it in the diffuser and put it in the room.
So the coconut oil is the base, and then the rest you just add drops to just enhance that,
exactly.
Right?
So you can add like 20 drops of each and then fill the rest of the bottle up, give it a good shake, and then you just use a couple drops each time. So, and yeah, that's great for before the vet, before a grooming appointment. Separation anxiety is really big.
Goodness.
So, yeah.
You notice the difference, and they know. The dogs know, and the cats know when they're going to go see the vet. And you notice their anxiety or their stress level goes up.
Right.
So my question to you is, how long, once you've mixed in the formula, how long will it last?
Oh, they last for a really long time. Essential oils have like years and years of shelf life.
Okay, that's really good to know. Okay, so what about allergies?
Allergies are huge. Allergies, I like to apply it topically. You can also do it internally. What you do is you just get a little capsule, like an empty vegetable capsule. You can buy them at the health food store. And you just put some drops in the capsule and give it that way. But great combinations would be the frankincense, the lavender, some lemon and peppermint. And you can give 1 drop of each in the capsule twice a day. And it helps allergies a lot. You can also massage it on their tummy as well if they're having any sort of digestive problems.
Well, spring is here. It's getting warmer. What about fleas and ticks?
Fleas and ticks, yes, because you want to try to avoid the flea collar, so I like to make my own. So you
Tell me, first of all, why you want to avoid the flea collar.
Full of chemicals, and it's essentially a chemical pesticide, which is what we try to avoid in our food, that you've stuck on a necklace, a collar, and wrapping it around your dog. Your children touch it, it gets in the dog's skin, their mouth, your children's mouths. Not okay.
Not the healthiest way. Okay, so the natural way to do that?
Get your own, either your own dog's collar, or you can get like a little bandana, which looks really cute, especially in summer. Get a little baggie. You can throw in some lavender, some lemongrass. Rosemary is really good for fleas and ticks. Just throw it in, let it soak in there, and then you've got your own flea collar.
And it smells amazing,
too. It smells amazing. You can use it on your kids. You can make it put it in a little spray bottle.
Yeah, and it's perfectly fine, right?
Perfectly fine.
Okay, and finally, for tumors. How do you treat that?
My absolute favorite essential oil is frankincense because it's so easy to use, and you can use it for so many different things. But just 2 drops on top of the tumor and any cysts, and you can actually see within a couple of weeks that the tumor can shrink.
It can shrink.
It can shrink.
Okay.
Yes.
But of course, you're going to go to your vet. I mean, if your dog or cat has a tumor or has any ailment, you go to your vet for that.
Sure.
But this will only enhance that, relax them, and help soothe and ease some of those problems.
And yet, we work really well. Any sort of holistic practitioner works really well with the medical vet. You can also find a lot of holistic vets now as well.
Yes.
And yeah, you want to work with a practitioner, especially if that tumor is cancerous. If it's a little cyst, then maybe you can deal with it on your own. But you want to work with a practitioner for sure if you're dealing with any sort of conditions.
And the name of your store, where are you
The Bone
located?
Natural Pet Boutique in Ajax.
The Bone Natural Pet Boutique
Yes.
in the Ajax. And you've got a website?
Yep, thebonenatural.com.
I can tell you this, it smells amazing. Why don't we
Aren't they
mix
great?
something as we head to break?
For
Jessica
sure.
Mofor, thank you so much for stopping by the